Welcome to this edition of CPWN. I'm Clarence Ponsler. Look outside, we got some mushrooms out there, and of course a lot of heavy rain, but it is forecasted to be much worse. This is the outer fringes of Francine as it makes its way into the Mississippi Gulf Coast. For the first time since 2021 with Ida, the Mississippi Gulf Coast is under a tropical storm warning. We're also under a storm surge warning as well. So it's going to get much, much worse in the next at least 12 hours or so. The worst impacts expected to be during the evening hours tonight. So conditions are going to go downhill. Let's be a little bit creative here. No chalk on this area. Previous rains have washed this away. From a new flight series that'll be featured here on CPWN. But for now, we're going to put in the digital CPWN palm tree with the hashtag Francine. So take it in for a minute. And obviously, this has caused the need to prepare. And I want to have this first video of the series in before things get really bad to the point where the power may soon be out. We'll keep you posted on that. On this watch, this is a new watch face that I've been using for the last at least 6 weeks, and it features the temperature, the real feels like, the relative humidity, and the pressure. And this pressure is important because it's been going down. Normally it would be at around 1,013, 1,015. I've seen as high as 1,017 millibars. Today is at 1,010, and it's dropping because we're getting closer to the center of Francine. Now, granted, Francine won't make a direct hit on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, but we will be taking a glancing blow. In fact, hurricane warnings are issued in parts of the central and even southeast coasts of Louisiana. So think Morgan City, think even nearby New Orleans even. And of course, with this rain that's getting heavier by the minute, some of these specks of raindrops are starting to touch that watch face as well to get a little bit of a nice effect. But the bottom line is that pressure is dropping and we're getting closer to the stronger sections of the storm. So in preparation for the storm, I've been charging my electronic devices, including, of course, see that yellow device right there? That's the NOAA weather radio along with some flashlights. And speaking of, I'm trying to find as many flashlight devices that are working, since this is the first time in 3 years that I have been in need to use them or prepare for to use them in case the lights go out here in this apartment complex. Something new, I've had some AAA rechargeable batteries to be used, for example, on these candles. So these are battery operated. Turn the flicker on and now you got portable light, hands-free. And look at all those bottles of water, even jugs of water that could be as big as 1 gallon. Filling up this container as well. Look inside of that fridge. More water to be used during the power outage. And for non-drinking use, we even filled up this washer with water. So I'm over prepared when it comes to this potential power outage. And also, one more thing. There's one more portable light for you. And it takes AAA batteries, something that is a bit lacking, especially on the non-rechargeable side. Thanks for watching this edition of CPWN. Clarence Ponsler saying have a great day or evening if it's nighttime. Goodbye.